If you hate carrying a bulky wallet and just want your phone and a couple of essential cards, this might be exactly what you need. You are watching Triplezon, and today I am checking out the Xiaoyu magnetic card holder made specifically for the iPhone 16 Pro Max. It promises MagSafe convenience with built-in storage. Let us see how practical it really is. Right away, what makes the Xiaoyu magnetic card holder interesting is that it is not just a basic case. It works as both a protective case and a detachable MagSafe compatible wallet. Designed specifically for the iPhone 16 Pro Max, the fit is precise, with cutouts that align cleanly around the camera module, buttons, and ports. Once installed, it feels snug and secure without adding unnecessary bulk. The materials play a big role in how it feels day to day. The outer layer uses premium PU leather, which gives it a smooth, refined look that works well in both casual and professional settings. It does not feel cheap or overly glossy. Underneath, the soft TPU layer adds flexibility and shock absorption. That combination helps protect the phone from minor drops and scratches while still keeping the case lightweight. I also noticed the anti-fingerprint finish actually makes a difference. After a full day of use, the surface still looks clean instead of covered in smudges, which is something a lot of darker cases struggle with. The built-in card holder is where the real convenience comes in. There is a storage compartment that holds your essential cards like an ID, credit card, or access badge. For quick errands, coffee runs, or even a short commute, you can leave your traditional wallet at home. The cards slide in firmly and stay in place, so you are not constantly worried about them slipping out when you pull the phone from your pocket. Because it is MagSafe compatible, the magnetic alignment is strong and reliable. It snaps into place with other MagSafe accessories and stays centered. If you use magnetic chargers, mounts, or stands, the connection feels stable. The magnets are strong enough to keep everything attached during daily use, but not so strong that removing the accessory becomes a struggle. That balance makes switching between setups feel effortless. Another important detail is wireless charging support. You do not need to remove the case every time you want to charge. Just place it on a compatible wireless charger and it powers up normally. That might sound basic, but some wallet-style cases interfere with charging quills. Here, the design keeps everything functional without compromise. Overall, the Xiaoyu magnetic card holder focuses on simplifying your everyday carry. It protects your iPhone 16 Pro Max, keeps your most important cards close, and works smoothly with MagSafe accessories, all in a compact form. The biggest advantage is convenience. Combining a protective case with a card holder reduces what you need to carry every day. The MagSafe compatibility works well, making it easy to attach chargers and other magnetic accessories without removing the case. The PU leather exterior gives it a polished, professional look, while the TPU inner layer adds flexibility and protection. I also appreciate the anti-fingerprint finish, which helps the case stay clean and presentable. Wireless charging support means you do not sacrifice functionality for storage. For minimalists, this is a very practical solution. Storage space is limited, so if you carry a lot of cards or cash, this will not fully replace a traditional wallet. Adding cards can make the case slightly thicker, which might not appeal to those who prefer ultra-slim designs. And since it is made specifically for the iPhone 16 Pro Max, it is not a universal option for other devices. If you own an iPhone 16 Pro Max and prefer a minimalist everyday carry setup, this is a great choice. It is ideal for people who mainly need an ID and one or two cards on the go. If you already use MagSafe chargers or mounts, you will also appreciate the seamless magnetic compatibility. That is my take on the Xiaoyu magnetic card holder for the iPhone 16 Pro Max. If you want to check it out, the purchase link is in the description below. Thanks for watching Triplezon. If this review helped you, Hit like, drop a comment, and make sure you subscribe for more honest reviews. I will see you in the next one.